What's up guys, it's Taylor with LeSueur Car Company and we are back with another car review. Today we'll be checking out our brand new 2019 Lexus RX 350. This is an ultra luxury SUV, super spacey on the interior, got some really nice features on the inside and outside of the SUV. We'll start down here on the rims. It's got these two-tone alloys in great condition. They're not scratched up, dented up. Coming around to the back, we get lots of sharp edges on these newer models. Really nice looking body style, great looking paint job with no scratches or dents. Parking sensors on the back with a dual exhaust system and a backup camera. Got lots of chrome trimming back here as well. Chrome trimming around the windows. Up front here we do have LED headlights with parking sensors. Great looking front grille. And you can see you got these strip lights that go around the bottom and the side of the headlight. Fog lights down on bottom. Let's check out the inside here. Alright guys, so as for the interior of this RX 350, we'll start up here on the steering wheel. It's got a couple of controls on it. You get your Bluetooth capabilities, your voice control, cruise control to the bottom right, and then two safety features here. You got lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control. And you can view all of this up on the LCD display. Up front you got your collision warning, blind spot monitors. Over to the left you have a heated steering wheel button. Your hood latch is down here as well, trunk latch. All four of your windows are automatic up and down. You have a setting to rotate your rear view mirrors inward. Seat memory for this driver's side seat and lots of leather. So we got this nice contrast stitching. Leather all the way around the interior of the vehicle. These wooden panels. Check out this center console. And then coming up to our display, we have a massive display up in front of us. It's got navigation, you got Bluetooth capabilities, cell phone connection. Down below, you do have dual zone AC in the passenger side and the driver's side. Your climate controls are also up here to the right. As you can see, you got your fan speed in the middle there. Down below, you got an electric parking brake. Your push to start is just to the right of the steering wheel. You also do have heated and cooled front seats. So you got 3 settings on each one. Really nice leather wrapped gear shifter. 12-volt socket to the right here. And then a couple of controls for your screen. Comes with a map button. You got your menu, back button, and then this you can kind of just hover around. And then you got your enter buttons on each side. All your drive modes are right here. You got eco, normal, push down for normal in the middle, sport. These will display up here on the screen. You also do have your traction control here. Leather wrapped console. Comes with an aux port, USB port, 12-volt socket, and it's pretty spacey. As for the seats, they're leather wrapped. Lots of legroom. This is a really spacey SUV. Get air vents back here with the 12-volt socket. And then lastly, up above us, up on the rear view mirror, it does come with HomeLink down on bottom. Moonroof up top. Controls for that are just up in front of it. To wrap it up on our new RX 350, guys, it's in great condition. Doesn't have a single damage or accident on its Carfax report. It's got just under 12,000 miles on it. Under the hood, it's packing a 3.5 liter V6. Gets up to 19 miles per gallon in city and 26 on the highway. This SUV will seat up to 5 people comfortably. You got lots of legroom in the front and back of the SUV. Alloy rims on the outside with LED headlights, parking sensors on the front and back of the SUV. So it makes parking a ton easier. Got heated and cool seats on the inside with a fully leather wrapped interior, navigation, Bluetooth capabilities. Come on down to LeSueur Car Company and check it out. See you guys soon.